Tucked along the sun-drenched coastline of Cabo San Lucas, the Hotel Rio Palace Baja California has carved out a reputation as one of those adults-only escapes that working folks dream about during their long Monday meetings. This five-star, all-inclusive resort sits right on the edge of the famous El Medano beach area, putting guests within easy reach of everything the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula has to offer. The property is part of the well-known RIU Hotels and Resorts family, which has been running sun and sand getaways for decades, and this particular location leans hard into the romantic, grown-up vibe that couples and friend groups crave. With glowing ratings of 8.2 on Booking, 4.5 on Tripadvisor, and 8.8 on Expedia, the place clearly has fans, though it also has a few quirks worth knowing about. Let us take a proper walk through what guests can expect when they pull up to those doors with their suitcases. The rooms at the Hotel Rio Palace Baja California come in 4 main flavors, and each one is designed to make guests feel like they have stepped well above their everyday reality. The entry-level option is the Junior Suite with a partial sea view, coming in at around 35 square meters and able to sleep up to 3 people. Guests can choose between a king-size bed or 2 smaller doubles, and the room comes loaded with a sofa lounge area, central air conditioning, a ceiling fan for that extra breeze, and a minibar that includes a liquor dispenser for those who like their evenings to start in the room. There is also a coffee maker, satellite TV, in-room safe, iron, and a bathroom with a walk-in shower that guests have praised repeatedly for being roomy and modern. Free Wi-Fi runs throughout the property, and every room of this type comes with either a balcony or a terrace. Moving up the ladder, the Junior Suite with a full sea view offers the same setup but with that money-shot view of the Pacific from a private balcony or terrace. The suite with sea view bumps the size up to about 46 square meters and adds a separate lounge area with a sofa, 2 satellite TVs, and a king-size bedroom that feels properly luxurious for couples on a special trip. The crown jewel of the room options is the Swim-Up Junior Suite, which is reserved strictly for 2 adults and includes direct access from the terrace to a shared swim-up pool. That terrace also comes with private sun loungers, which means guests can roll out of bed and be in the water before they even decide what kind of cocktail they want. Every category of room includes bathrobes, hairdryers, and that all-important free Wi-Fi to keep folks connected when they want to be. When it comes to feeding the guests, the Rio Palace Baja California does not mess around, offering a lineup of restaurants that gives travelers a different experience every single night of a week-long stay. The main restaurant is a generous buffet with a terrace, serving international cuisine with live cooking stations and themed evenings that change throughout the week. This is the workhorse spot where breakfast, lunch, and dinner all happen for guests who want variety without commitment. For something more refined, the Crystal Restaurant offers fusion cuisine in an à la carte setting that feels a step above the usual all-inclusive fare. Guacamole, as the name cleverly hints, serves up authentic Mexican dishes for those who want to lean into the local flavors during their trip. The Italian options are covered at Sofia, which blends buffet-style starters and desserts with a la carte main courses, giving diners the best of both worlds. Yuhai handles the Japanese side of things with a la carte sushi and other dishes that surprise many guests who do not expect such variety at a beach resort. There is also a steakhouse right by the pool that pulls double duty, working as a casual buffet lunch spot during the day and transforming into a proper grill house in the evenings. Drinks-wise, guests have access to a lobby bar plus several pool bars, including swim-up bars where ordering a cold one without leaving the water becomes a daily ritual. The 24-hour all-inclusive service means snacks and drinks are always within reach, and room service is available around the clock for those who never want to put on real pants. The pool situation here is honestly one of the property's biggest draws, with 4 outdoor pools spread across the grounds, several of them featuring swim-up bars that make the day pass in a delightful blur. The sun terrace is loaded with loungers and parasols, so even on the busiest days, finding a comfortable spot to bake gently in the sun is rarely a struggle. There is also an outdoor whirlpool for the times when guests want to soak rather than swim, and a steam bath available for cooler relaxation. The beach itself is where things get a little complicated, and this is the one thing every prospective guest needs to understand before booking. The hotel sits on a stretch of the El Medano beach area and the view is stunning, with golden sand and crashing surf. However, the ocean directly in front of the property is not safe for swimming due to strong waves and currents, a fact that comes up in nearly every guest review across all three booking platforms. Guests who want to actually get into the ocean need to walk about 2.5 kilometers down to the main swimmable section of Medano Beach, which is doable but not exactly a quick dip. That said, plenty of guests find the beach perfectly pleasant for sunbathing, long walks, and that golden hour photo session that ends up as everyone's profile picture for the next 6 months. Loungers are available beachside and the staff keeps the area clean and well tended. For most visitors, the 4 pools more than make up for the swim restriction, especially given how nice they are. Beyond the pools and beach, the resort keeps guests moving with a solid lineup of activities that range from gentle to genuinely energetic. There is a fully equipped fitness center on site, though guests should note that proper sports shoes are required to use it, so flip-flops will get you turned around at the door. Nightly entertainment includes shows and live music that some guests adore and others find a bit on the loud side, which is fair feedback worth keeping in mind if a quiet room is important. One of the standout perks here is access to the famous RIU pool parties held at the neighboring Hotel Riu Santa Fe, which are adults-only events that have become legendary among repeat guests. These parties feature DJs, themed nights, and a level of energy that turns the day into a proper celebration. For folks who want a slower pace, there is plenty of cultural and educational exploration available just by stepping off the property, with Cabo San Lucas offering everything from boat tour to whale watching during the right season. The hotel can typically help arrange excursions, and the front desk staff are well regarded for being helpful with planning day trips. Golf enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Cabo San Lucas Country Club sits just about 5 kilometers away, putting a proper round within easy reach. Between the pool parties, the gym, the beach walks, and the nearby adventures, guests would have to actively try to be bored here. The wellness side of the operation is handled by the Renova Spa, which is shared with the neighboring RIU properties and offers a full menu of treatments along with a beauty salon. It is worth noting that spa services come with an extra charge on top of the all-inclusive package, so guests should plan for that if they want to indulge in a massage or facial. The treatments cover the usual range of relaxation and beauty options, from deep tissue work to body wraps and salon services like hair styling and manicures. The spa setting is reportedly serene and well-designed, giving guests a proper break from the lively pool deck atmosphere just a few steps away. Many couples make spa appointments a regular part of their stay, particularly on travel days when a little extra pampering helps with the transition home. Steam bath and outdoor whirlpool are included with the stay and offer guests a way to relax without dipping into the wallet again. While there is no specific yoga or detox program highlighted on the official materials, the combination of pools, spa, beach walks, and the fitness center gives guests plenty of tools to put together their own wellness routine. The overall atmosphere of the property leans heavily toward relaxation, which means even folks who do not actively seek out spa treatments tend to leave feeling lighter than when they arrived. For working-class travelers who rarely get the chance to truly unplug, this combination of accessible wellness options is a genuine highlight of the stay. Since the Hotel Riu Palace Baja California is strictly an adults-only property, families with little ones will need to look elsewhere, and that is by design. The lack of kids actually shows up as a positive in many guest reviews, with travelers specifically calling out the peaceful, grown-up atmosphere as a reason they keep coming back. This makes the property a strong fit for couples on a romantic getaway, friend groups celebrating a milestone, or solo travelers who want a calm retreat without the splash and squeal of a family resort. The trade-off is real and worth understanding before booking, but for the right kind of traveler, it is exactly what makes this place special. Location-wise, the resort puts guests in a pretty enviable spot for exploring everything Cabo San Lucas has to offer. Cabo San Lucas City Center sits about 3.5 kilometers away, easily reachable by taxi or even a brisk walk for the more energetic guests. The famous Cabo San Lucas Marina is roughly 4.5 kilometers away, and serves as the launching point for sunset cruises, fishing charters, and the boat trips that take visitors out to the iconic natural attractions. The Arch of Cabo San Lucas, known locally as El Arco, sits about 6 kilometers from the hotel and is one of those bucket list sites that nearly every visitor wants to see at least once. Land's End and the famous Lovers Beach and Divorce Beach are all in roughly the same area and are best reached by water taxi from the marina. Shoppers will find Puerto Paraíso Mall and Luxury Avenue Los Cabos both within about 4 kilometers of the property, offering everything from familiar international brands to local crafts. The Hotel Rio Santa Fe is just 300 meters away and is where those famous pool parties happen, while the Hotel Rio Palace Cabo San Lucas sits about half a kilometer down the road for guests who want to compare neighbors. The Los Cabos International Airport, the main gateway for most visitors, is about 40 kilometers away, so guests should plan for roughly a 45-minute transfer. A smaller general aviation airport sits just 8 kilometers away for private flights. Overall, the location offers a nice balance of beach calm and easy access to the action. Taking a balanced look at the overall experience, the Hotel Rio Palace Baja California earns its strong ratings through a combination of solid food, friendly and professional staff, beautiful pools, and that adults-only calm that so many travelers crave. The cleanliness scores across all platforms are excellent, hitting 8 on Booking, and the comfort levels match that number. The staff repeatedly earn high praise for being helpful, attentive, and genuinely interested in making guests feel welcome, which is the kind of human touch that turns a good vacation into a great one. The value for money score sits at 7.9, which is slightly lower than other categories and suggests that some guests feel the price is on the higher end for what is delivered. There are also occasional reports of resort credit issues when booking through third parties, which is worth confirming directly at check-in. The weaker points are honest and worth acknowledging. The non-swimmable beach is the most common complaint, though most guests adjust their expectations and use the pools instead. Some find the nightly entertainment a little loud, particularly guests in rooms closer to the action. A small number of reviews mention disappointing experiences with promised perks not being honored, which is a fixable issue but one that has come up more than once. On balance, however, the overwhelming majority of guests across all 3 major platforms leave happy, and many become repeat visitors who treat this property as their regular getaway spot. What truly makes the Hotel Rio Palace Baja California stand out is the combination of the adults-only atmosphere, the 4-pool setup with swim-up bars, and the unique access to the RIU pool parties at the neighboring Santa Fe property. Few resorts in this price range offer that kind of party-on-demand access while still maintaining a calm, sophisticated home base for guests who want to retreat when the day is done. The all-inclusive 24-hour service means food and drinks are never more than a few steps away, and the 24-hour room service is a luxurious touch that many resorts skip. The swim-up suites are also a relatively rare offering and turn the stay into something resembling a private villa experience for couples willing to splurge. For guests interested in business or group functions, the property does have a conference and event room available, though specific details about capacity and configuration are not heavily promoted. This makes the resort a possible option for small corporate retreats, wedding parties, or milestone celebrations where the adults-only atmosphere is actually a feature rather than a limitation. The combination of dining variety, pool space, and entertainment options makes it well-suited for groups looking to mix work and pleasure or celebrate an important occasion with friends. The standout guest experience moments that come up again and again involve the staff going out of their way to make guests feel special. Bartenders remembering favorite drink orders, restaurant servers recommending the perfect dish, and front desk workers helping arrange last-minute excursions are all common themes in glowing reviews. The food earns particular praise, with guests calling out the breakfast spread and the variety across the specialty restaurants as memorable highlights. The pool parties create the kind of stories that guests tell coworkers for months after returning home, and the sunset views from the beachfront make for those scroll-stopping photos. For working-class travelers saving up for a real vacation, the Hotel Rio Palace Baja California delivers the kind of experience that justifies the splurge and turns a week of paid time off into a proper memory. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.